Hi, Island. Hello. Thanks for joining us again. If you missed the Star Wars plane, don't worry. This video, this entire live stream will post to our channel after it ends, and we also have lots of videos of the Star Wars jet on there too. Next arrival is the Condor Airlines from Frankfurt. Condor Flight 2088, an Airbus 330-900, left Frankfurt almost 11 hours ago. Let me turn you around and give you a good look at that. If you have not seen Condor Airlines before, I think you're going to be a little surprised. Check it out. That was the A330, the Condor Airlines, in the beige beach livery. So another special livery. Ooh, look what I spotted there. I see the ITA Airways making its way up. Hello, David. Welcome in. Hope you guys are subscribing, because you might not find us again if you don't. And we got some great daily streams here from LAX. So hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because we don't advertise our streams. Yes, indeed. Delta taking off. If you're enjoying this, why not share it with a friend? Go ahead and send the link to somebody. Text them. Say, hey, tune in, you guys. You don't want to miss this. This is good stuff. Next arrival is another special livery, Southwest Triple Crown livery. 737. This is 3769 is the flight number.